Hello students, today we will start with our fourth chapter, operations with large numbers. Let's see the content with what we are going to study under this chapter. Arrange in columns and add, arrange in columns and subtract, fill in the missing digits, multiply, divide, simplification and word sums, word problems. So let's begin with our first heading, arrange in columns and add. So students, here we are going to deal with large numbers, that how you are going to add the large numbers. Here you can see the heading is arrange in columns and add. First, the three numbers, the large numbers are given to you and you have to arrange it first. Now how you are going to arrange? According to their place values, you are going to arrange it. We have studied in third chapter about the place values like ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. Now according to their place values, arrange it and then add it. Now you know very well how to add. You have studied in your previous classes that addition. The small numbers you are dealing with in the previous classes, but here you are going to deal with the large numbers. The numbers are in crores and lakhs. So the same process will be, the same process is there, students. You will follow the same process. Like from last ones place, you are going to start 5, 6, 5. You are going to add first this 5 plus 6, 11, 11 plus 5, 16. Now 16 is there. Students, the ones place 6, you will write it here 6 and 1. This 1 you will carry forward to the next place. Means tens place you will carry forward. Now here 0, 5 and 9. 0 plus 5, 5. 5 plus 9, 14. Now this 1 also you will add with that number 14. 14 plus 1, 15. So now you, by after adding, you can see here 15. So 5 you will write here and again this 1 you will shift to the next place. The same process, 2 plus 4, 6, 6 plus 3, 9, 9 plus 1, 10. Now 10, 0 you will write it here and again 1 you will carry forward to the next place. 9 plus 9, 18, 18 plus 7, 18, 15 and 15 plus 1, 16. Again 16, 6 here and 1 again you will, sorry 26. So 2 you will carry forward to the next place. Again you will add this all 8 plus 7 plus 1, 16, 16 plus 2, 18, 18, 8 here and again you will carry forward 1 here. Then 7 plus 8 plus 8, 23, 23 plus 1, 24. 4 here and again you will carry forward 2 to the next place value. 3, 3 plus 6, 9, 9 plus 2, 11, 11 plus 2, 13. Now 13, 3 you will write it here and again 1 you will carry forward here to the next place. 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 1, 11. Again 1 here and 1 carry forward to the next place and 2 plus 1 is 3. So finally you will get here the answer 31348605 Now after putting the commas, how you are going to read it? 31 crore 34 lakh 86,056. So this is what your arrange in columns and add. In the same way, students, you are going to do the next, subtract, arrange in columns and subtract. Again the same three numbers you can see here. First you will arrange it, but the difference here is together more than two numbers you can easily add, students, but you can't subtract it. For subtraction you need minimum two numbers. So here you can see three numbers we have. First two we will take. So first two numbers we will arrange it first according to their place values. So first number you have arranged here and the second also you have arranged here. Now you have to subtract it. Now for subtraction, you know very well that we borrow the number. Like here, if the number is smaller, okay, like here you can see 0. 0 minus 2. It is not possible for us to subtract 2 from 0. Okay. So what we will do? We will borrow 1 from the next place. Like this is 0. Okay. This is 0. So again here it's 0. Then we will move to the hundreds place. Hundreds place, when we will move here, we can take easily 1. Okay, we can take easily 1. So 7, when 7 will give 1 to tens place, so 7 will become 6. Okay, and here it's 0. 0, when you will add, you will borrow 1, so you will write it here. Okay, as you are borrowing from the next place, so you will write it here. Okay, now again 10. This is 10. Now 10 will give 1 to 1's place, so it will become automatically 9. So this 0 will become 10. Okay, now students, there is one logic behind this, that if you have 0, okay, and the next number is 7, for example. Okay, now here 0. Okay, when you borrow 1 from the next place, like here 7, when 7 gives 1 to the 1's place, so this will become 10. Why this become 10? Why not we are adding 0 plus 1? Why? Because we are borrowing 1 from the next place. Means this is 1's place and this is 10's place. So from 10's place that 1 is coming. So that 1 will be remain in their place only. The place value of any digit will not change. Okay. So this will 1. This will be 1. We are writing in 10's place. As it came from 10's place only. So we are writing here in 10's place. Clear? The same way here 3 will become 13. It is not possible to subtract 5 from 3. So 3 will borrow 1 from 2. Okay. So this will become 1 and this will become 13. Now 1. 1 not possible to subtract 4 from 1. So again 1 will borrow from 7. 1. Okay. So this will become automatically 11. So the 7 will become 6 and here 2. No need of borrowing. Okay, and here is no number to borrow from, so this is the last place. So 10 minus 2, 8. 9 minus 8, 1. 6 minus 6, 0. 13 minus 5, 8. 11 minus 4, 7. 6 minus 1, 5. And 2 is 2 only. Okay, now this number, this is not the final answer you got. Okay, now this, after subtracting these two numbers, you will write the final answer here, and with that answer you will subtract the third number. Okay, you will subtract the third number. What is the third number now? 9942. Now from this answer you are going to subtract. Okay, now after subtracting, what you will get? 25268076. Now how you got this answer? 8 minus 2, 6. Again here 1 not possible to subtract from 1, 4. Okay, so again this 1 will take 1 borrow from here. So this is 10, and when 10 will give 1 here, so it will become 9. Okay, so here this 10, how it became 10? This 0 took 1 borrow from 8, that's why it became 10. Okay, because 0 have no value, so 8 gave 1 here and it became 9 here. Okay, so when 8 gave here 1, so it automatically became 7. Now again 1 here. 7 not possible to subtract 9 from 7. Then 5, 2. Now subtract 8 minus 2, 6. 11 minus 4, 7. 9 minus 9, 0. 17 minus 9, 8. 6, nothing is here, so 6. And here 5, 5, 2, 2. So final answer is 35,68,076. Students, our third heading is fill in the missing digits. Now fill in the missing digits, add, and in the next one we will study about subtraction. Okay. Now let's see one example. Now here three large numbers are here. We have to add it and we have to fill it here, the missing digits. Now from the last we will start from ones place, as we have studied how to add it. So 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 5, 9. So 9 we will write it here. No number is carry forwarded to the next place, so 0. Nothing you will add. 1. Now in tens place, 1 plus 3, 4. And here it's blank. Okay, we have to fill it, 4. And after summing up here, this 3 digits, you can see here 6. Now you tell me students, with 4, which digit we will add? We will get 6, 2. Okay, it's 4 plus 2, 6. So here we will write 2. As you can see here, okay, 2. Now in the third digit we have to fill. Now again here, no number is carry forwarded. Okay, so 9 plus 6 is 15. Now 15 students, with 15, which number you will add, you will get in ones place 6? Tell me. 1. 15 plus 1, when you will add, you will get 16, and in ones place you will write here 6, and 1 will be carried forwarded to the next place. Okay, the same way here in thousands place you can see 8 plus 5, 13, 13, and this one 14. Don't forget to add the carry forwarded numbers. Okay, that also you have to add it. Now 14. Now 14 students, here you can see 0. Okay. Now 14. Okay. And you can see here 0. So 14 plus which number you will add, you will get 0 in tens place, ones place. When you will add 6, you will get here 20. Okay. 20. And in ones place you will get 0. So you will write it here 0, and 2 will be carried forwarded again to the next place, as you can see here. 2. Okay. Now 2 plus 3, 5 plus 2, 7 plus 1, 8. So here you will write it 8. And again here no number is carried forwarded. So simply you will add 4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus 2, 9. So here you will get the number. Okay, so this way you are going to fill the missing digits. It's very easy students. Normally how you are adding or subtracting, the same way you have to use little of your brain, how you can find out. Okay, so let's move to the next fourth heading, fill in the missing digits, subtract. Now while subtracting you have to fill this missing digits. Now let's see one example. Again here you can see two large numbers are here. Okay, now this is 0. Okay, so what you will do, 1 you will borrow, so this will become 8 and this will become 10. Now 10 minus 1 is 9. Here it's 8. 8 minus what you will get? 5. 8 minus what you will get? 5. You will subtract 3. So here you will write it 3. Now here in the next hundreds place you can see here, have a glance here students, have a glance over here. Now 7 plus 5. Okay, 7. Now here it is 5, 7 and this is 5. Add it, what you will get? 12. So that 12, 2 you will write it here. Okay, and 1 is carry forwarded. Carry forwarded means this is 1 and this will become 12. Then only you can subtract, because here 2 is smaller than 7. So you need 1 borrow. Okay, so you took 1 from 2 and you have made it 12, and 12 minus 7 is 5. So this is automatically, it will become 1. Now 1 again, whatever number you will write here students, it will be less than 5. Okay, so what you will do, this 1 plus 5, what you will get, 6. So add it here, 6, as this is 11. Okay, 11 minus 6 is 5. Again 1 we have borrowed from here. As you can see, 1 again we have borrowed from here. 5 plus 2 is 7. Okay, 5 plus 2 is 7. Now students, from that 7, now you just think that 1, this 1, when we have given, okay, we have given 1 borrow to this 2, so it is 8, that's why it became 7. Okay, so this is 8, and after that this became 7. Okay, so 7 minus 5 is 2. But here we will write it 8 because we have given 1 here. Okay, we can't write it 7 here. If we will write 7 here, that means when after giving 1 borrow to 10,000's place, it will become 6. So that will be wrong. So you will add it here 1. 7 plus 1 is 8. After giving the borrow, okay, after giving the borrow, only it became 7. So 7 minus 5 is 2, and again here 7 minus 2 is 5. Practice this question again students, because subtraction is a little bit complicated. So practice few more questions regarding this. I'll give you the exercise, under that you have to practice it. Okay, now let's move to the study. Simplify. Student, simplification you have studied in your class. Let's simplify. Okay, we are applying here board mass rule. Okay, so here I have written D mass rule. Now this is the rule what we are going to apply it here. Through this rule only we can solve simplification. Board mass means students, B means bracket, O means off, D means divide, this D mass. Okay, here we can add it board mass also, BO. If in the question you can see brackets are also 3 types that we will study in the next chapter in brief. Okay, here in this chapter you will deal with this 4 operations. Okay, divide, multiply, addition, subtraction. So this is the step by step you have to apply the operations and you have to solve the question. Now first step is, if in the question you see divide, so first what you are going to do, you will solve that divide. Then the second is multiply. Then third is addition. Fourth is subtraction. As you can see in this question, we can only see addition and subtraction. Okay, so first what you will do, you will add, and then first you will subtract. So let's begin. Here you can see few positive numbers and negative numbers. Okay, so before moving to this question, let's see few steps how to solve it. Add the positive numbers. As you can see here, the positive numbers, this first number is positive, third number is positive. So what you will do, you will add this two numbers as we have added here. And what answer we got? 620402, 6,20,402. Okay, after adding this positive numbers, we got this. Then second step is add the negative numbers. Negative numbers means before any number, if we see the negative sign. Okay, negative sign, like here. You can see 2,36,705. You can see here negative minus. Okay, so this is what? Negative number. This is negative number. As you can see here, before this third number, you can see here plus. So this is positive. If nothing, no symbol is mentioned there, okay, so that we will consider it as positive number. Okay, like the first number we have considered here as positive. Now coming to the fourth, here also you can see the negative number. So these two are negative here. So what you will do, you will add these two numbers here, and you will get, finally you will get here the answer 2,95,670. Now after adding the positive and the negative numbers, what we have to do with these two? Let's see the third step. From their sum, means from these two sum, subtract the sum of the negative numbers. What we will do? Which one is bigger here? Obviously the addition one. So that we will write it here, and the second number, and you will subtract it. So after subtraction, you will get here the answer 3,24,000 3,24,732. This is your final answer. So what we have done here, addition, two operations only we have dealt here with addition and subtraction. So first what you will do, you will add and then you will subtract. Thank you.